This tutorial will guide you how to navigate on your Kindle Paperwhite. So ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Let's say you are reading a book and you want to exit the book and go back to the home page. Just select here on at the top on your Kindle Paperwhite. And then you can see all the features like reducing the font size or going back to home. So if you select here going back to home, it will take me back to the home page. So if you do want to go to your settings, there are two ways. One, you can select here at the top. You'll see an option to all settings, dark mode, Bluetooth, sync, and airplane mode. Or another way to go back to your settings, you can select the three dots at the top right corner here. And then you'll see all the options, including your list, Goodreads shelves, Amazon Kids, web browser, Amazon family sharing, settings, legal, view all ads, and other options. So if you want to scroll down to your Kindle, you will see here a slider. If you grab this slider and scroll down, you can easily move back. You can easily move down on your Kindle Paperwhite, or you can move up. So that's how you can easily navigate on your Kindle Paperwhite. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.